Now children, let's talk about Qutub Minar. It is the tallest brick minaret in the world. It was built in three stages by three rulers of Delhi. Means the construction was started by Qutub ud-Din Aibak. You have to remember this name, Qutub or Qutub. Both are correct. Qutb ud-Din Aibak, and later carried forward by Iltutmish. It is Iltutmish, and the construction was completed by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Clear? Means three of the emperors completed it. There are some stairs, 379 stairs inside the minaret to reach the top. Inside the complex, there is a 2000 years old iron pillar that has not rusted in 2 centuries. Understood? Now comes Agra Fort. Agra Fort is located about 2.5 kilometers from the Taj Mahal. It was built by Akbar in the year 1565 AD. Built along the famous river Yamuna River, the fort is known for its huge halls, the Diwane Am and the Diwane Khas. Two of the halls are there, Diwane Am and Diwane Khas. It is one of the most important building of the Mughal dynasty. Is it clear to you? Now, hill forts of Rajasthan. Rajasthan has got many forts, many forts. The hill forts of Rajasthan include 6 majestic forts of Chittorgarh, Kumbhalgarh, Savai Madhopur, Jhalawar, Jaipur, and Jaisalmer. These forts reflect the rich heritage, culture, and architecture of the Rajputs who ruled over this region in the past. The forts used natural defenses offered by landscape like hills, deserts, rivers, and the dense forests. Now, temples of Tamil Nadu. Temples of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is a land of temples. So, which state is called the land of temples? You have to remember this thing, Tamil Nadu. You can remember like this, T for Tamil Nadu and T for temple. So you can correlate like this. The famous Shore temple lies to the north of Chennai. To the north of Chennai. Mahabalipuram, the temple was built by Chennai in Mahabalipuram. The temple was built in 7th century by King Rajasimha of the Pallava dynasty. It was built of sandstone. Clear? It was built of sandstone. The Brihadishwarar temple. You can break this word and learn. First you can write Bri, B-R-I, Bri, Had, H-A-D, Had, Ishwar, Ishwar, Ishwarar. Most of you write Brihadishwar. A-R you forget to write. So please be careful. Brihadishwarar temple. Brihadishwarar temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and located in Thanjavur district of Tamil Nadu. The temple is 216 feet tall and was built by the Chola dynasty. Which dynasty? Chola dynasty. The Meenakshi temple is located on the banks of Vaigai river in Madurai. Tamil Nadu. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. The temple displays beautiful architecture consisting of 12 gopurams or towers. So you have to keep in mind all the names of the temples. Understood?